Welcome to Reynolds Online Shopping. We'd like to cover a time-saving trick using the My List function. Click on the My List tab at the top of the page or in the left-hand column. The first time you set up a list, you're going to want to click on the red plus button. Name your list and write a description for that list. We'll use the example spaghetti dinner, and in the description we'll use Dad's 60th birthday. Then you can shop and select all the items you want for your spaghetti dinner. For this example, let's choose a pasta sauce, noodles, a protein, and some Parmesan cheese. As you shop for these items, you'll notice when you click on the image, there's an option to save to a list. Find the correct list and click the plus sign to add it to your list. Once you have all the items for your list, you can shop from that list at any time you log into Reynolds Online Shopping. To use an existing list, click on the My List tab and select the list you want to open. You can add the items to your cart directly from there. This function is great for shopping for recipes, parties, or holiday gatherings. We hope you enjoyed this time-saving tip. Thank you for shopping with Reynolds Online Shopping.